Hello y'all. I took this glitter ribbon from the Dollar Tree for Christmas and I put it on all four sides of my little gumball plastic doodad or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, you can find this in the section where you find all the wedding stuff. And I've already done a couple things to it. I'm taking this pearl wrap in silver and I have just cut it off into pieces like so, and then I am going to be placing it on each of the bottom pieces and going all the way around. This little piece right here is one of the handles for all of the spoons that I am always using. I am now taking some more of the silver wrap and I'm going to place it with my hot glue on either side here of my little spoon handles. I'm going to go both sides just like that, and then I'm also doing like a little third part right in the center. Taking 2 rows of this, I am just placing it halfway on and halfway off of my ribbon. I am taking 4 of these pieces of flower mesh and I am placing them just on the 4 sides right at the top. I threw some pearls inside. I am going to take these little flowers that I have left, and these are from the Dollar Tree. I've taken the little leaves just like here on the top. I just scooted it down, and then the leftover ones that I had from my old project, I am going to add one more to the bottom as well. That way these are only going to be at the bottom and then these will be at the top. Now if you don't have scissors to cut something like this, the way to do it that you cannot ruin your regular scissors is literally just to take it like wherever you want it to be cut off and start working it back and forth, because it is like wire and it will heat up and it will snap off. I'm not even joking. I hope that's a good tip for y'all. I added some of my jewelry using these little bags. I already had the pink and blue ones. These are the yellow that I purchased. And please don't mind the construction because it's always going on. And this is how it turned out.